Google Video Ads. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alive Digital e-learnings YouTube channel. I am Rohit Deoo, your digital marketing trainer. In the today's video, we will be diving into comprehensive tutorial on creating effective video ads for your business or clients. By end of this video, you will know exactly how to craft ads that grab attention and drive conversions. Whether you are a business owner, freelancer, or marketing enthusiast, this tutorial is packed with insights to help you create impactful video ads. So grab the notepad and let's jump in. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our content. And if you haven't watched our previous videos on search ads and display ads, make sure please check those videos too for the solid foundation. Now let's start the today's video. Understanding video ads. First, let's cover the basics. What exactly are video ads? Video ads are short, engaging clips designed to promote your brand, product, or service. They combine visuals and audio, which makes them much more engaging than static image or text-based ads. Video ads come in many forms like in-stream ads on platforms such as YouTube, social media video ad, and bumper ad, which are ultra-short ads designed to capture attention quickly. This is non-skippable video ad. The format allows you to tell story, showcase your brand, and connect with the viewers emotionally. By 2024, video ads are expected to account for over 80% of all over internet traffic. It's a powerful tool, and knowing how to create one gives you a huge advantage. Now that we understand the impacts of video ads, let's break down what makes video ads effective. Key elements of successful video ads. To create successful video ad, there are 4 components: the hook, the message, the visuals, and the call to action. Let's dive into each of them. The hook. The hook is the first few seconds of your ad where you grab the viewer's attention. This could be an unexpected visuals, an interrogating statement, or relatable situations that resonate with your target audience. For an example, if your ad is about productivity app, start with visual showing someone overwhelmed by work, followed by a quick transition to that app that can solve the problem. The message. The message is core value proposition. This is where you highlight a specific benefits or feature that sets your product or service apart. Don't try to cover everything in one ad. Keep it simple and clear. For example, if you are advertising a fitness app, focus on one key benefit like track your progress in real time. The goal is to leave memorable impression. Visuals and audio. Visual quality is essential. Use visuals that reflect your brand identity, whether that's animation, product demo, or behind the scene clips. Make sure your visuals are crisp, well lit, and visually appealing. For audio, choose background music or voiceover that matches with the tone of your brand. A catchy beat can add energy, while a calm background track may work better for more serious brand. Websites like Epidemic, Sound and Audio Jungles are great resources for finding royalty-free music. If you watch our videos, we never used any background music because our video is purely giving certain knowledge in the field of digital marketing. Call to action. Every video ad should end up with clear call to action or CTA. What do you want viewers to do next? Visit your website, download your app, subscribe your channel, use concise and direct language like shop now, learn more, download app. Be strategic with your CTA. Ensure it's relevant to the content of the ad and align with your campaign goals. Creating an ad, overview of it. Now let's walk through a step-by-step process for creating video ad. I'll break down into the 5 steps. Step 1. Import your assets. Start importing your material, video clips, images, audio files into editing software. Keep everything organized by labeling your files and creating folders for video, audio, and graphics. For video editing, there are free as well as paid softwares. Both the softwares are explained in our paid course. Edit and trim. Edit the video down to most engaging 15 to 30 second. Attention spans are short, so aim for clear, concise message. Trim any unnecessary section and keep only footages that convey your message powerfully. Remember, first few seconds are crucial for grabbing attention. Step number 3. Add text overlay. Text overlay are great for highlighting key points. For an example, if you are advertising seasonal sale, use text to display the discount or offer. Keep text short, relatable, and on brand. Step number 4. Transitions and effects. Smooth transitions between scenes help create a polished look. Use suitable effects and transition that enhance rather than direct from the content. Overdoing effects can make the ad look cluttered, so keep clean and professional. Step number 5. Background music. Finally, add background music to the set of mood. Choose smoothing, lively, but not overpowering. Test different tracks and see which one complements the visual best. Background music should enhance the viewer's experience without distracting from the message. Step number 4. Testing and optimization. After creating your ad, it's essential to test it before launching. Start uploading a draft to your chosen platform and run it with small test audience. Look at the engagement rate, with watch time, and whether viewers are responding to CTA. This can help identify areas for implement before the final launch. A/B testing is also effective. Try different versions of your ad with minor changes such as CTAs or alternative visuals to see which version performs best. For learning more about A/B testing, please subscribe our paid course. Continuous optimization is key to implement ad effectiveness. Now let's talk about the case study example. Let's look at a quick case study. Imagine for an e-commerce brand launching a new product. They use short, engaging video ad highlighting one key feature and clear shop now CTA. Though testing, they found the version with upbeat music and product demo performed the best. This campaign drew up conversions by 30%, showing the power of well-crafted video ads. And that's wrap. I hope this tutorial has given you clear understanding of creating effective video ads. Remember, the key to success are compiling hook, a focused message, high quality visuals, and strong call to action. Video ads have become one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing, and now you have the blueprint to create the impactful ad. If you have any question, drop them in the comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more digital marketing tips and hit the bell icon for stay notified about our latest uploads. Keep sharing this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Signing off, Rohit Deoo, your digital marketing trainer. Thank you.